Welcome to Beautiful Homes TV. Today, we're excited to share an amazing small house design full of beautiful details. This is a 25 by 36 feet, 7.5 by 11 meters, modern house design with 2 bedrooms, perfectly designed for a small family. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to check the link under the video description to download the full PDF plan with complete details. This stunning home features 2 comfortable bedrooms and 1 well-planned bathroom, offering both functionality and comfort in a compact space. The exterior design combines dark and light color tones, creating a balanced, elegant, and modern look. A large glass door and wide windows allow natural light to flow inside, making the house feel bright, open, and welcoming. The house is designed to look simple yet stylish, perfect for modern living while remaining practical for everyday use. At the top, the terrace roof is constructed with concrete cement tiles, placed above a gypsum board ceiling. This roofing style not only improves durability but also adds a clean, modern appearance, giving the house a fresh, fun, and amazing character. Backhand index pointing right. You can download the complete PDF plan from the link in the video description to see all dimensions and layout details. If you love small modern house designs like this, make sure to subscribe to Beautiful Homes TV and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thumbs up like this video, share it with friends and family. And once again, check the link below to download the full 25 by 36 house plan PDF. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing home design.